How to create Telegram accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can create Telegram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to create a Telegram account, basically what happens over here is that if you open the Telegram app, the very first thing to keep in mind is that you need to have a phone number to create a Telegram account. So if you don't have a certain phone number, maybe you're under the age of 16 and the country might not provide your phone number, you will not be able to create a Telegram account if that is the case. So make sure you have any phone number that maybe belongs to your parents or your siblings or wherever. Now you just need to tap the start messaging option, select your country over here, the country code will get automatically selected, and then enter your phone number here. Then just hit the arrow icon. After you hit the arrow icon, it's going to send a verification code to this particular number, and once you actually enter the verification code, your Telegram account will get successfully created. This way you can create Telegram accounts. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.